What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. We're here at Nora's house today. We got Dia helping us. Right now he's moving out the car so we can use the garage. But we got another little mod to install for you guys. You guys probably already guessed it by the title of the video, but it's like these side skirt extensions. It is from Boost with Eric on Instagram. He's the one who sent me out the other extensions. So we're just gonna be adding these onto it. It'll be a little subtle kind of mod. It's gonna look really aggressive. I'm excited for that. So we're gonna go ahead and bring in the 335 right now, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the parts. We got Dia over here, guys.
How you guys doing?
How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Okay, let's go ahead, show you guys the parts. So, right over here, we got these like side skirt extension things. So I believe it goes kind of like this. So we're gonna set it like on right here, and it just sits like that, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna have to unscrew this part and then screw this on underneath with the same screws. And I think it just sits like evenly like that, nothing too crazy. Looks to be pretty good. Looks like this is popping out again. I don't know why. So anyway, let's go ahead and jack up the car and then go ahead and screw those in real quick. Alright guys, so here are some of the screws that we're going to be using. It's kind of like these ones that kind of like sits in pretty good with these ones. So we're going to go ahead and use some of these real quick. Alrighty guys, so we pretty much just screwed it on down here, as you guys can see. It looks pretty good, it's pretty sturdy on there. What do you think? Does that look good?
It looks like an extra piece of the car, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good, I like it. Right now it's pretty dirty over here, it has a lot of water spots, so we might have to clean that up. It's definitely like a nice little addition. We'll see how it is for like the long term. Once the car is on the ground, it should look a little bit better too. Pretty happy with that, so let's go ahead, start on the other side real quick.
How's it look?
Bro, it's looking good.
Yeah?
I like that. All right guys, so I think we're gonna be putting on one of the decals. So Boost with Eric sent me out these carbon fiber things. So huge shout out to him. I'll go ahead and leave his Instagram down below as well as his store. So we're gonna go ahead and put on one of these stickers real quick. So guys, it's probably not gonna show up because the lettering is like black and it's already really dark tinted windows. So I guess we'll find out.
Actually, it shows on the camera pretty well.
It's really subtle, so that actually looks pretty good like
Yeah.
that. I like that. So huge shout out to Boost with Eric on Instagram. Like I said, I'll leave his Instagram down below, and I actually need to update this for myself because my new Instagram is Weeks Whips, not Weeks with 2 underscores, so I need to switch that out. But all right guys, so I ended up putting on the Eurogang decal as well, and I put on the other one so it's like more even, and I need to update my Instagram on here, so I'm probably gonna go with like a white one, more like visible, so I need to do that sometime. But yeah, let's go ahead, head over to the car wash because this car, if you guys know, my car cover ripped, and so now you can see all like these water spots, and it's just horrendous and it's looking really bad. So I remember one time somebody told me what can take off hard water spots, if it was like vinegar or something. So let me know if you guys remember that. And like these wheels are getting like a ton of hard water spots and it just looks horrible. So definitely need to clean it real quick. Let's go ahead, head over to the car wash.
I said I'll never lose you.
Well, man,
Here we
go.
I keep forgetting. The price is high to lose you. It keeps inflating. And baby, I'm broke. Don't you know? Say goodbye, say goodbye. Say goodbye, say goodbye.
Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little mod install on the 335. There's still quite a few things to be done to this car. I have some big changes coming up on that. Just a matter of time at this point. I know I keep teasing you guys about that, but I'm being serious. Big changes are coming to that car. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys want to check out those side skirt extension pieces, I will leave them linked down below so that you guys can check them out. Huge shout out to Boost with Eric again for sending them out to me. Go check out his Instagram, and while you guys are at it, check out my Instagram as well. I'll go ahead and leave it linked right over here. If you guys enjoyed this video in any way, make sure to give it a like down below and make sure to subscribe while you guys are at it. It would really help me out. Without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.
Can't let go. Feels like rising.